Hello everyone, today we will be talking about how you can ace your IELTS Speaking Cue-Card game. So what is the IELTS Speaking exam? So basically the IELTS Speaking is divided into three parts, of which the second part is the IELTS Cue-Card section. In this section, you are given any random topic where you will be asked to answer on it for 1 to 2 minutes at a stretch. Many students face difficulty in that because we are not accustomed to answering on a random topic for such a long period of time. Here's how you will be able to change that. First up, always be confident. This is the most important thing when it comes to the speaking test in general, in my opinion. The examiner should in no way feel that you are nervous. It works against you. Number 2, maintaining a smile and adding humor. Answering while adding a bit of humor and smile lends weightage to your answers. The examiner will feel that you are well prepared and speaking honestly. Brownie points for that. Number 3, be well prepared. So this point showcases that you have to start well before your exams. You might be going to classes, but you have to go over and above in order to get your desired band score so that you will be able to answer on any XYZ random topic. Number 4, be precise in your grammar. Let's face it, the way you say things make a lot of difference in getting your desired band score. So remove fillers and pauses while you're answering in your cue card section. And number 5, show off your vocabulary. So just show off your vocabulary, just play it out, because just say things that you're going to say in a much better manner. That is why reading and writing are so important, that it will enhance your speaking cue card game in general. So guys, these were the 5 things which I feel that will help you in your IELTS speaking cue card section. So all the best for your exams, and make sure you subscribe for more such informative content.